King of African Dancehall, Shatta Wale. It's a shift that has stirred up quite a buzz in the music industry. Shatta Wale, who gained fame as a dancehall artist, recently announced his graduation from the Jamaican genre. The reason behind this bold move? He believes that Afrobeats is making enormous strides in the international music market, and he wants to be a part of this dynamic genre. During an interview with BBC's This Is Africa presenter DJ Edu, Shatta Wale explained his decision. The host asked, "Why did you decide to switch from dancehall when you were known as the dancehall king?" Shatta's response was clear: "I've graduated from dancehall. I want to provide my fans with the latest and greatest music, and right now, Afrobeats is thriving." He also gave a shout-out to some of Afrobeats' biggest stars, including Burna Boy, Wizkid, Davido, and Tiwa Savage, his ex-girlfriend. In a May 2020 interview, Shatta Wale shared his deep love for dancehall and reggae, revealing that his father's love for reggae music influenced him. He even recounted being mistaken for a Jamaican due to his strong connection with the genre. Shatta Wale's journey into dancehall began with inspirations like King Shango, Sizzla, Culture, and C.J. Lewis. However, he eventually gravitated towards Buju Banton and Vybz Kartel, which solidified his passion for dancehall. Over the years, Shatta has collaborated with several Jamaican artists, creating memorable tracks that blend his unique style with dancehall. In addition to his genre transition, Shatta Wale and fellow Ghanaian artist Stonebwoy have publicly disputed the title of African Dancehall King. However, there have been claims that Ghanaian artists are not genuinely representing dancehall, as they are accused of mimicking the style and singing highlife music instead. Bessa Simons, the acting president of the Musicians Union of Ghana, Musiga, has stated that Ghanaian artists are not authentic dancehall musicians and are merely copying Jamaican styles. He believes that financial considerations play a role in this shift away from highlife. In conclusion, Shatta Wale's move from dancehall to Afrobeats is a significant milestone in his career, and it reflects the ever-evolving nature of the music industry. Whether you're a fan of dancehall, Afrobeats, or both, there's no denying the impact Shatta Wale has had on the world of music. What are your thoughts on this transition? Let us know in the comments.